This green plantain porridge is high in protein. It's delicious and it has many health benefits. To make it, first you're going to start off by peeling one green plantain. Cut it into chunks to make it easier to peel, and once that is done, you're going to chop it into small pieces. Now in a pot, add 2 cups of water, quarter teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and you're going to grate some nutmeg around half a teaspoon and allow that to come to a simmer. While that is heating up in your blender, add the chopped plantains and a cup of water and your preferred flavorings here. I'm adding a dash of cinnamon and some vanilla essence. Blend for about a minute or two until everything is nice and smooth. Once that is completed, add your mixture to your pot and mix it to ensure that it is combined properly. You're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes, ensuring that you're stirring constantly, as this will prevent it from burning and sticking to the bottom of the pot. After about 15 minutes, you can start adding your flavorings. Here I'm adding a half a cup of almond milk. You can use your favorite milk here. Then you're going to whisk your egg whites into your mixture and ensure you pour the egg whites into the whisk. If not, your eggs are going to cook. So ensure that you pour the egg whites directly into the whisk and mix vigorously. It's a good hand workout. Get in there, all right? Then you're going to just add sugar. I'm using erythritol, 1 tablespoon. You can add your sugar of choice. And I'm also adding a half a tablespoon of honey. I don't like my porridge very sweet. So of course, for you, you can sweeten your porridge based on your desired level of sweetness that you want. Once it is done, I'll go ahead and add some additional cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla to my preference. I'll include the exact quantities in the description. Now, plantain has many benefits. It is rich in fiber, vitamin A and C, as well as B6 and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. It also has many digestive benefits because of its high fiber content and resistant starch content. It allows you to feel increased fullness. It also helps with blood sugar control and improves insulin sensitivity. So if you are diabetic or you are looking to lose weight, this is a great nutritious meal to add to your meal plan. It is ideal for breakfast or dessert. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you've tried it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.